Okay, so let me share you something that honestly brought a shift in my, managing my time and energy. Actually, few months ago, I started using premium automated system that operates in the gold market. Honestly, I know very little about the gold trading or finance or in general, but I just knew I wanted the more peace or like something like more something in my mind when it came to the handling my value, not just the money, but the long term security actually. So at first I was not sure like what to expect or what's gonna happen in the future, but from the beginning I stood out in this system. So like it doesn't ask you for your time, like definitely not, but it doesn't even flood you with the charts and the decisions or alerts or whatever it is, but instead it simply does work. Trust me, it simply does work, and it's quietly in the background. It's using your real-time market data. There is no pressure to react and no emotions, nothing at all. What's make it so like powerful? It's amazing. So I can go by my day, and whether I am working or I am on holidays or I am on some travel or leisure or I am on business trip, like just know that one very important part of my life is being handled with care, precision and consistency. So over time I realized that it's just not about the making smart financial choice. It's about building the stability and creating space and freeing your mind. And for me, that's the real luxury it is. So the ability to trust a system that works for me while I live the life I want. So if you have ever felt overwhelmed by the noise, or maybe you want like need is not like the more control, trust me, it's the right kind for you. Thank you.